for Sasquatch.
Boom.
Sweet. Oh my God, Tim.
Tim got it by the diameter of the arrow,
I
nothing less.
need fat shafts. All right, we just passed target 5 on the Jack Links course, and as you can see,
It's wet.
it's wet, it's raining. But we're playing closest to center again.
Zavi,
Zavi won,
James,
James won,
Khalib,
Caleb won,
Tim,
Tim won, and
and Weston.
Weston won. So the guys are on the board with 1.
Not this guy.
And Tim beat me out by the diameter of his shaft.
It's
So-
cold, and the struggle's real.
Yep, so about 60 degrees. Everyone's gonna hit their sleeve today. And yeah. Target 6 is a 52-yard strutting turkey. And everybody is hitting pretty left. I think it has a lot to do with everyone hitting their sleeves. So we shall see. The rain doesn't seem to be letting up at all.
Brooke,
I
you got
think
a point.
Did I?
Yeah.
Yep, you got it on the board.
If I had to lose to anybody, I'd want to lose to you. I'm kind of used to it by now. You always beat me. You're a good shooter. It's a compliment. Jimmy, you might could grab that orange one that got a pass through on the target. Clear pass through, obviously.
Brooke just slipped one into the 10, so you're gonna have to bring your A game.
We'll keep on talking about people.
This is gonna be a close competition here.
It's all team girls. Team girl. Brooke did.
Target 11, Jack Links, Sasquatch, full size, 75 yards. There's a hole like this.
Okay.
Clearly see the defined hole. Is that fair enough? Yeah.
Is that the target?
Yeah. It's between his thumb and his pointer finger. It's his anchor spot.
Hit.
You hit. I can't hear where. It sounded kind of like mine. Rock,
Caleb,
paper,
I'll help
scissors,
you if you
shoot.
want.
Rock,
Got it.
paper, scissors, shoot. Wes's point.
Car. Sorry.
Game off. Yeah. See that ABS working?
You got it. That looks great.
That's mine.
Good job.
54 yards, target 12.
Looks great.
You earned it.
Good job, James.
Thanks.
We got a bunny, 32 yards, very steep between two trees.
What?
Tall.
Oh, because I didn't move my sight.
Little update, target 16. We got a pronghorned animal at 44 yards.
Everybody has to name out their scores. I have 2 points.
I have 3.
Deuces. Rob.
Brooke 2, Tim 3, Wes 2, James 2, Zavi 1, Jared 1, Caleb 2, myself 2, 1 goose egg.
But I've hit 40. And cut.
Woo, you punched the hell out of that thing.
See that?
Oh, so hard.
Going
Oh yeah. Yeah. 66.6. Got a sheep. And ironically, it does have devil horns. This is a dirty shot from this angle. But we will persevere. How'd it feel?
Feels okay.
Do you feel like you are accomplishing what you set out to do today?
Yeah, that was not lose a bunch of arrows. I'm pretty upset that I even lost one, and that was my own fault for not moving my tape. Everyone's kind of all around it.
We got a muley at 64. It's brown.
It's going down.
Who's gonna sprint ultra view? Anybody?
Low.
I'll leave this one in, Bailey, or you?
No, that's
You guys do piercings at your salon? 47 on some sort of spotted cat. It is a very whimsical target. It looks like the kind of target that comes with its own theme song or children's book.
Tim got it?
Yep. Tim took it.
Tim took it.
This is a good group.
It was a good group.
I'm just out again. Give us a score update.
All right. Tim has 5. Wes has 4. And they're neck and neck battling it out. I just got my 3rd.
Which makes him tied with myself, Brooke, and James for 3 each in second place. 4-way tie.
Second place is it's gonna be a battle. Can I take a mulligan on this shot?
Yeah, we'll give you this first one.
No,
Then
you
just
can't
get
even
it.
see the 10 ring.
No,
I just want
that's
to
what
hit
I'm
foam.
saying.
Over it, so you might want to move over with quick trip shot. Yes.
What are you doing? You didn't like it?
Yeah. Get it. Are all these good back here?
This is the one right here.
Target 25 of the Jack Links course.
44.
And Tim has pulled ahead with 6, which means Tim would have to basically lose his arrow on this target in order to lose.
I tried to make a wager with him and say,
You
On
and
this
wagers
last-
are not working out.
on this last one, if I shot a 14 ring, could it count for 2 points?
Well, I think
Yeah.
when you see the target, that's going to be difficult.
Oh, shoot.
Woo!
I hit the tree right there.
Great shot, right?
Great shot.
Look good.
Good job.
Tim has a lot of strength.
Yeah.
Who's left? Me. Bailey.
Get in there, babe.
OTD.
Sponsored by Starbucks, Old Navy, and Lululemon.
Yeah.
I knew it.
Dang. Oh man. Closest to center
Close to the center.
is the Ultra Arrow.
Yes, Wes won.
Wes won the target.
Yeah, he won.
Tim won the shoot.
Good job, Tim.
Good job, Wes. With a brand new bow.
Brand new ball.
The females of the group, let's just hear it for them. Just me then. All right.